Hi there, Graham and Shirley here from Sanjay Adventures. Welcome to the first in the series of vlogs on the best cafes in northern Cyprus. Today we start off with La Casa here in Girne.
Hello everyone, welcome to La Casa Cafe, which is the building turned to the cafe. Okay.
Thank you. The cafe is set in a beautifully restored Cypriot house in the heart of Girne, on the road between the top of the high street and the state hospital. Walk past the law courts and it's on the left just before you reach the hospital. It's a beautiful boutique cafe, the interior design is lovely and you're surrounded by original works of art, much of which you can buy. It has a great vibe and the coffee and tea are excellent. There's a lovely range of cakes to choose from, and you can sit in small, beautifully decorated lounges, or if the weather is nice, there are great places to sit outside at the front and the back. You're also surrounded by amazing artwork, and there are 2 rooms which display and sell designer clothing for both male and females. It's an interesting and different place to visit, great coffee, tea and cakes, and lovely staff. I'd strongly recommend a visit to this cafe. It really is a lovely place to go to. We hope you enjoyed visiting La Casa with us and have hopefully inspired you to come along and try it for yourself. Thanks very much for watching, and a very big thank you to Nayan for allowing us to share his beautiful music with you. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like buttons, as this helps us to create more videos like this for you. And please let me know about other cafes that we can visit and film. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Kendini Ibak.